And a couple of words about Australian dollar, our commodity currency. Well, what we saw next week wasn't really surprising, in my opinion. Despite some attempts to break big resistance line to the upside, we see that the main obstacle for the pair is provided by the level of 0.77. I think that some large shorts are located here, so the market isn't moving much above this level. I think that this point will still be an upper limit for Australian currency during this week. Also, if we have some deterioration in commodity prices, then Australian dollar will likely retest 100-week moving average around 0.7530. This should be the target. This is the pair has support. As for the daily chart, we can see that last week the pair fell below 50-day moving average. This week, this level represents resistance, is located around 0.76, and as long as the pair is trading below this mark, it is vulnerable for a decline to 0.7520, 0.75. This is support line of 2016. I believe that these are levels to target if we are selling Australian currency. Here the pair should find some good support, so I don't recommend you to set some bigger targets. Above 0.76, if there is some good data for the market's risk sentiment, then the targets, the bullish targets, should be in turn limited by 0.77 mark, as we have already said that it is kind of obstacle which proves to be really strong for the bulls, and I don't believe that they will be able to overcome this level this week. So once again, once we reach 0.77, once we approach this mark, it is a wise idea to put a sell order here. All in all, data from Australia were rather well, but the market was kind of ignoring this data and watching the developments in expectations on the US Federal Reserve's rate hike. So I think this trend of more important American data will continue into the next week.